Hello guys and welcome to another episode. I have this, I think it's 2002 Honda Accord. This is a 6-cylinder, really nice. My buddy Jose has this thing just perfect. It looks really good. In this episode I'm gonna do an installation. I'm gonna do this light, which is gonna be the rear fog light. It's gonna be mounted around here on the rear bumper. I just need to cut the hole really easy and wire up to the tail light. And he wanted to do these ones on the bumper as well, and it's gonna be around this area, so they're gonna look really good. If I like it the way it looks on his car, I'm gonna do the same on mine. But first thing that I need to do is remove the bumper so I can start seeing where I have to cut. Bumper is out. You just have to remove a 9mm here, this little clip that is right there, bunch of clips on top. It was two only on the bottom, and just pull the bumper. Now that the bumper is out, I'm gonna put the lights. My buddy wants the lights around here, the small ones, and the fog light around this area. It's not really difficult. I just need to measure, make a little template for him so I can cut the right way, and just on this side transfer my cut to the other side. And for this one, I just need to make a little cut to put the light. Nothing difficult. Then I'm gonna run my wires. I'm gonna find a way to run them through the inside and connect them to the lights. The only thing that I need to do, I'm gonna make a template and cut right here, which is the inside of this part of the plastic. Put it in, and this one goes on the back like that. You're gonna put them together and it's gonna seal in there. Basically just make that hole. It's gonna be around here. I cut a piece of cardboard and put it inside. So now this is kind of the size of the hole that I need to cut, and pretty much that's the location. Now I'm gonna cut my hole right here inside, and if I need, I can trim just a little bit more, but I'm gonna do it little by little. I don't want to cut too much, and then that's it. I can't fix it. I need to cut just a little bit more on the edges, and then I'll be able to put it in. Okay, the hole is ready. Now we gotta put the back part and the light and close. And I'm gonna do the same process just to make a little template, measure what I wanted in here, and making sure that it's gonna be the same distance on the other side. For the side markers, same process. You take the light apart, and this is going on the back, so you make a little sandwich. This one on the back, that one on the front, and then the light. Well guys, this is how it looks, but I need to do the wiring. Now they're on the car, and to remove the tail light, I don't think you're gonna have problems. You just have to remove the liner in here, and there is 3 9mm screws, and those are the tail lights. So tapping into those, black with black and red with red. Let me turn the lights on so you can see how they look. So my buddy wants this to be running lights, so when you turn the lights on, they're gonna be on at all times. Same process for the other side. If you notice in here, this light came with small cables, so I just solder the extra cables for the light. And don't worry about the color. I know I put red and red, but I know that this is the negative and that's the positive. Okay guys, I have the wires. I soldered some wires in here, and I haven't recorded much because it's really late again. I'll try to finish this installation because I have more installations for this car. So I have the wires ready. I just need to tap this into the lights on the back. My body wants this as a fog light, not a brake light, so I gotta tap into the same cables again. For this, okay guys, I tap into that light for the fog light. So when I turn my lights on, everything should be on. Fog light is working. All the lights are working. The only thing that I need to do now is just put the bumper back on. Last month I did this on the front fenders. My buddy saw my video where I did these ones on my Accord. So right now they're turn signals. Let me show you. It used to have regular bulbs, but I put some LEDs. Those are mine LEDs. Well, now they're my buddy's, and he liked them a lot. But he said after seeing those lights, he wanted them as a running lights too. So there you go guys, I hope you like this little episode. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm gonna be happy to help. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.